Local residents have reported numerous sightings of an unidentified creature.
What are you? You're so smelly.
I play Trip in the movie. I find a monster.
Take a look. This thing is awesome and it's smart.
It is an engine for my truck.
Isn't that right, Creech?
We named him Creech. Trip is in the middle of a problem. He needs to hide this creature. People are after him, and I'm sort of in the way. And then we start on the adventure.
Trip, watch out!
Let go! I can see better than you!
Hey, get back in there!
He touches his eye!
Over the course of this relationship, Trip realizes that, it's kind of like his buddy now, and then they develop this friendship.
Hang on!
Did that just happen?
Oh, yeah, it did.
Kids will love this movie because explosions, monsters, and really fast trucks.
¿Qué te pareció esa nota? Si te suscribes a nuestro canal podrás disfrutar de otras entrevistas exclusivas, adelantos de los estrenos más esperados y reportajes especiales sobre el mundo del cine. ¿Eres fan del séptimo arte? Pues mantente al día con tu pasión y suscríbete.
Quiero que pintes toda esa barra. Watson, what's up?
¿Eso me va a enseñar a defenderme?
No, pero si vamos